Now what I have left in here is stones. Oh, I'll put these up here. So one says healing, one says happiness, and one says strength. The gratitude one is actually in my money bowl at the moment, but when I'm doing spells for other people, depending on the spell I'm doing, I pull these out and I use them. So I'm going to set those up here as well, where I can get to them. And then, oh, one more. Dream. Okay. I think I'm done with this shelf, this cupboard. I wish I could have, I'm actually going to put my little tree man back here. There, I like that. That looks good. And I think I'm going to move the Play-Doh to the other corner, the back corner. Yes, I'm going to do that. Because underneath there is where I keep my Oracle pendulum board. So I can do that. I'm going to put my little dragon guy under there too. Just put him peeping through that little hole. Put him right here. That right there. Okay, now I have to organize this bottom shelf, and I don't know how to make it so you guys can see that. So bring it in. See how I can organize things so that you can see what I'm doing. I think you can see. I'm going to turn you this way so you can see what I do with the rest of this. Yeah, you can see. Okay. So I put my incense right behind my meditation guy. No, I'm not. I'm going to move my lantern back. This lantern is extremely valuable because it has the original chimney. And that's hard to find. Okay, so I'm going to put him there, this here. Move the incense burner down, put that there. Move my Buddha in front of the shelf. Put that there. There we go, done with that one. Okay, now we're going to work on this guy. So these are beautiful, made in Mexico little clay pots. Little tiny one. And they get bigger as you go. A little bigger, a little bigger, little bigger. And they just keep getting bigger. And I have a total of, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. They're just cute. And they were my mother's. So I keep them. So I'm going to set those up here till I can get this organized down here. This is an amazing piece. This, my sister-in-law gave my husband, and I took it away from him. So it's an old cigarette case. It just holds cigarettes right here. And it's silver. It's pure silver. And on the back it says, to Mr. Thomas C. Hurley, Field Marshal. And someone signed it. And then it says, President of the Council of Ministers, Government Pet Residence, Bangkok, April 13th, BE 2498, 1955, sorry. So it's very old, and it's still in working order. You could still use it if you wanted to. You just push this button down, and I always have the hardest time. But it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful piece, and I need to polish it up. Anyway, so I have that I will put on that shelf. These need to go in the supply cupboard. Excuse me a moment. I don't want to put my rump in your face. That's just food coloring. That, again, I use for ink. Okay. This is my dojra I use for meditation. This is my Bolin knife that I use for herbal work. And then this is just a little box I put stuff in, but I use it for my seashell altar. which I'm not sure where I'm putting now. This is a candle holder that should be in that other cupboard. Okay, this says all kinds of little sayings. It's a flat box, and you fold it up and it holds it there. And there are cards inside, and each card has a different saying. It's full of cards, and each card has a different saying. But I like this one, and it says, the exclusion of, this ain't the one I like, of there being one way in which we can be saved. Exclusivism, as in of there being one way in which we can be saved. That is the world as we know it, that must pass away. What is the kingdom? It lies in our realization of the unique ability of the divine presence in our neighbors, in our enemies, and in all of us. Okay, that is the one I like. Anyway, I set this right here where I can change it and look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here at the edge. And I gotta take this out. Some of this stuff doesn't go in here. My mama's dragon, my mother's beautiful dragon, which I put here. I leave my big singing bowl here, but I move the others out of it. Like so. Dragon goes in the front. This is my Tangy box. Remember that? It's got some rings in it, so I'm just going to set it back here. This is a oil diffuser that I don't use, so I'm going to set it back here. And there's my Buddha. So, one of my Buddhas, but he is... Where is my rock? Give me 1 second. Gotta find my rock. Okay. My Buddha sits on this rock. Isn't he pretty? He's a beautiful green lucky Buddha. Okay. I'm going to set this up here for now because I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. I don't know where I'm going to be able to have my sea altar. I have a box that's going to go back there if I can get to it. I'm just going to bring all this box, which has a few stones in it that will eventually go in the rock cover, but for now it's just going back here. This is the bag of rocks that I carry in my purse, which I need to put in there. So I'm going to set it back here. This is my drawing basket when we have drawings. Okay, hang on the channel, which we're going to have as soon as I hit 1,000. Okay. That worked. And this is my divination pendulum board. And I keep it covered. It's just a good habit. And I'm going to move live and put it back there. I like to keep it under here where it doesn't get knocked over or mistreated. You never know with this room as cluttered as it is what could happen. So I just keep it under there. You turn around, little dragon, and look through the hole. And you go back over here. Okay. So this... I'm not sure where I'm putting, but not there. And then this is an incense burner for cones. It just looks like a UFO. And you just take the top off. And you can put sticks in it, big sticks, but I don't. And I think I'm going to put it right there next to these. My dojra I'm going to put in here with my singing bowls. And my bowline I'm going to put right here. There we go. Got that one done. Hot dog. I'm going to put this candle holder in the cupboard where it goes. Okay. I think I'll set him right there. that pretty cigarette box. Let's see if I can keep you from falling while I move this back up here. Good. Nope, not quite. Okay, guys. Now we have that little shelf over there left, but I will be honest with you, I'm a little tired, and I'm probably going to do that one alone. It's got my beer candle on it, some other candles, some stones. All the stones are going in the rock case. So what I'll do is when I'm all done, I will take another video of everything, and then I will put it up for you guys so you can see what exactly I've done. And I thank you for joining me. Thank you for your interest in joining me. I don't know why you'd want to watch, but I'm glad you did. You guys take care of you. Be safe. Know you're divine and sacred beings of light and love. I love each and every one of you to the hilt. I will talk to you soon, and thank you again for joining me. It means a lot to me that you joined my channel. Have a great day. Bye, guys.